and welcome to Go Big Garage. Today we're going to highlight a tool that should be in every toolbox, a very affordable tool that is in every toolbox of every mechanic I know, and it should be in your toolbox too. Stay till the end, where we're going to show you an old school mechanics trick that'll get you by if you don't have this tool. This tool is referred to as mechanical fingers, a grabber, a thingamajig, whatever you want to call it. You need to have one in your toolbox. The parts to be aware of are the depressor, the thumb depressor, the fingers, and the liner. To operate the tool, you just push the thumb depressor, the fingers come out, you put this around what you want to pick up, you release it and it holds, then you pull it out. This item can be used to retrieve small items like a nut, a bolt, a tool, your wife's diamond ring that she went down the drain. Your wife's diamond ring that went down the drain. And these new ones actually have a nice feature, which is a light on the end. The light actually gets brighter as you open and close the fingers. A must-have for an old guy like me. This demonstration will show how useful this tool can be. As you can see, it has a good weight capacity. It's pretty agile to pick things up. All the way as big as a big axle nut. A small wire. Even a tire valve cap. It can also be used to retrieve a hot item that's against a manifold or too hot to pick up with your fingers. This tool is easy to store, easy to use, and there is no other tool like it. For under 20 bucks, this tool is a great deal and should be in your toolbox. This is a very common tool used in geocaching. Magnets are usually a great tool, but sometimes things are made of non-ferrous metals, and what that means is it will not be picked up with a magnet. Non-ferrous metals include aluminum, gold, brass, and stainless steel. A magnet will not pick up these items. If you drop a stainless steel piece of hardware down in a really tough to get to place, you're not going to get it out with a magnet. This tool will do it. As promised, in the old days, the old timers would take a long screwdriver, tape a piece of dowel to it, put a glob of axle grease on the end, push it down onto the item, and then pull it out real slow. You can retrieve O-rings, gasket, very small bolts, nuts, and that sort. It will not hold. A process will not pick up a socket, but it will do a good job on a lot of other things. I bet you didn't know that, did you? If you have a favorite tool in your toolbox, please post it in the comments so we can discuss it. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. We really appreciate your subscription.